In this video, we're gonna be asking how to borrow money from Fairmoney without ATM card. But there is one thing I actually want to let you know on this Fairmoney app, because once you borrow money from Fairmoney, you will also need to pay back the money you borrow through your ATM card. So I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. So let's say I swipe onto the loan page right here. Then you can see no active loan, so which means I haven't borrowed any money from their platform. But then let's try to check on this help center. So let's say you have borrowed money and you don't know how to pay back, so you can come down to this page right here, so where they explain some of the things. So you can click on support, then see need help, chat with FA, then you can see loan repayment. For example, I'm gonna click on that. Then you can see, do you want to repay your loan? So I'm going to click on that. So on this page right here, you can see where they said to pay before the due date, please initiate a payment. Okay, if your loan is already due, the payment will be automatically deducted from your Fairmoney account. And you can see there's one particular place where they said your debit card. Okay, make payment with debit card linked to your Fairmoney loan. You can see, to use this option you have to click on all these options, which means you have to pay back the loan with your debit card you connected to when you are trying to get a loan, which means it's not possible for you to have access to a loan without having an ATM card. That is exactly where we are going to. So you have to follow this method before you can be able to get a loan from the platform.